गूगल मैप वाला बोल रहा है कि तुम्हें घूम रहे हैं। Just please come upside after I give you full time.
Upside, yeah.
Mummy? What is this?
It's a well.
This is called the step well. Step well. You know, that time the step well is very important that time. But now we don't have used the step well. But the ancient time, the older people, suppose you are traveler, you are coming from the outside. But that time you didn't have the vehicles, you didn't have the car. Most of them time, the people always prefer to use camel, elephant, horse, bull cart. So all the animals they also need for the water or drink. And suppose you are tired, you want to play, you want to stay for a good place also. So that time the king and the merchant family always made this type of the step well only for traveler and only for tourists. And second thing they also made for your citizens also, because that time now we have tap water, but that time we don't have a tap water, we don't have nothing special. Now we have everything. Suppose you are traveler from you coming from the outside, that time the people also show and they also use a cloth, very big cloth on the stick. Suppose there's the water well, this step well also. But this step well also made in 11 to 12 centuries. The deep of the step well is 60 feet and 15 meters is wide. Did you see the inside of the fencings? Inside the rooms also. Because that time, suppose you are a traveler, you come here and the people also stay inside the fencing, inside the rooms.
You can stay there? Oh, I didn't realise that. Right, okay,
yes, yes. Because inside they also pass away. Now maybe they're almost closed because people try to go inside and they try to
live there?
Yes. So the government of India also banned. At that time, suppose you are a citizen of the Delhi local area, that time the people also came here for got the water from the step well. But now, but the whole step well depend on the monsoon season. Good monsoon season, water is come upside. Bad monsoon season, water is come downside. Okay. So this is a very beautiful step well. Maybe they start from 12th century and work is going on, renovation going on for 14th to 15th century. So we call this is one of the best part of Delhi. But you know this is not old Delhi, this is part of the new Delhi. But the people also came here and look these beautiful things.
Hey, it's a step well. It's quite deep and it's quite shaded down here. Seems more popular with Indian people than it is with Westerners.
Then I saw ये रोमांटिक पोज नहीं है
संडे को छुट्टी होगी।